Salary ko.
Ito lang, badminton lang ako ngayon.
Badminton lang, basketball.
Hindi, manood na lang ako mamaya. Kasi hindi ako ganun kamagaling sa basketball. Papahiya lang tayo doon.
Ha?
Papahiya lang tayo sa basketball.
Kamusta ang galera? Malapit na ipalabas, ano?
Lapit na po, September 30.
Bukas. Kinakabahan ka na?
Yes, sobra.
Ha?
Sobrang kinakabahan. Pero in a way, sobrang excited. Dahil syempre, it's our reunion project with Auntie. At kasama ko si Direk Wen. Talagang dati ko pa gusto ko talaga makatrabaho si Direk Wen. At ngayon I have the opportunity to work with him. He's one of the nicest directors and sobrang galing. And I trust him and I'm very blessed to work with him.
Jessica is doing great now with Maya Mercedes.
Yes.
Ano lang feeling mo na ang ganda ng project niya? And,
Yeah, I'm happy for her. I always see her her tweets and Instagrams on Instagram and Twitter. At masaya ako para
Did
sa
you
kanya.
congratulate her, the director na? Congratulating her.
Hindi, parang alam naman niya, masaya ako para sa kanya.
Mati, ano masabi mo na daming nanliligaw ngayon kay Jessica? Jake, very open on his feeling kay Jessie.
Jessie's a wonderful girl and she's very beautiful. So I'm sure a lot of guys will try to make league of the Jess. And it's all up to her, you know. Basta masaya siya.
Doon ka na rin.
Basta masaya siya.
Pero
Gulat ako sa'yo.
wala ka bang plano i-push through?
Si Jess? Ay, hindi naman po. Wala, we have both different paths. Kumbaga, she's busy with her thing, I'm busy with my thing.
So yun na lang. Nagko-communicate pa rin kayo.
Hindi na eh. Kapag nagkikita lang kami, like ngayon, nag-hi-hi lang kami, Star Magic Ball, mga ganyan. Basta maglaro ka pa ng badminton? Ano ang tanongin? Alam ko yun ang mata mo. Masyado na yun.
Hindi kasi we interview Sarah recently. Ano ba yung interview niya? Na parang natanong yung tungkol sa'yo, sabi niya parang he just wants to keep it private. Pero marami nakapansin parang flirting pa si Sarah or whatsoever. Hindi ba kayo nakakausap or is it ba si Sarah? Parang kasi yung tingin ng tao parang hindi kayo. Parang wala naman.
Let's put it this way. I'll keep it private also. One day, I'll say it na lang. One day, not now.
Parang lang nasagot. English lang? Tagalog sa kanya?
English
mo?
version.
Ha?
English
Pero
version.
may communication ka?
Minsan. Yun lang.
Pero na-hurt ka ba? Kasi parang ang tingin ng tao na putol or nahantara na naman daw or
Ano naman, wala.
napaasa na naman sa wala si Sarah. Yung ganun ang tingin ng ibang tao.
Hindi naman. Wala, next time na lang pag-usapan natin. Star Magic Games muna. Maglaro muna tayo ng badminton.
Kung kaya boto kaya sa'yo.
Wala, thank you lang. Thank you talaga. Pero, I guess it's not the right time to say or say anything about it. The day will come. The day will come.
Pero you won't deny yung adoration na doon pa rin.
Oo naman, syempre po. Sarah's a wonderful person. I look up to her since before pa. And yun.
Hindi kasi may mga kwentong parang iniiwasan mo lang daw. Masabihan kang ginagamit or whatever.
Ay, hindi. So far, that's not true. I'm never gonna want to do that. Just, whatever's happening, I just wanna keep it private right now. And one day.
Bakit focus sa trabaho mo? Doon ka lang ba nakafocus sa badminton?
Pero how special Sarah sa'yo? I mean, hindi, I mean, ano yung something special to her that you're really good friends or good
Hindi na gusto ka mo sa kanya.
Oo, nagustuhan mo sa kanya.
Basta, we'll talk about it, when, I don't know one day.
Kaya mo ba ayaw magsalita, baka maudlot na naman, parang
Naman,
gano'n.
Ay, gagi ka kakaganyan mo, baka iniisip mo, dinedelay mo siya.
Of course not, hindi naman.
Baka sabihin mo, dinedelay mo siya.
Diba, one day.
Wait, teka lang, ito na lang. Rumampa ka sa Cosmo, di ba?
Yes.
Anong feeling mo nung rumampa? Bakit naman mo nagubad ka?
Sobrang kinakabahan ako.
Nagubad ka ba?
Oo.
Okay, oo.
Sobrang kinakabahan ako dahil this is my second Cosmo, 2010 yung first Cosmo ko. Ngayon 2013 at syempre kinabahan yung preparation talagang iba eh. So yun.
You're more fit now, parang mas malaki yung muscles, mas malaki yung mga abs.
Wala ba? Naman?
Hindi ba? How confident you are compared nung last na rampa mo?
Iba yung katawan ko eh. Last rampa, it was more of the gym. I did Paraiso, I changed my workout. It was the lean workout, more triathlon workout. For Cosmo naman, I changed my body. It was bigger, it was more gym workout again. So every project, I changed my different workouts. So this Galema, it's a different katawan. It's more solid, more thick than Paraiso.
So pag bago-bago yung katawan mo, depende sa kung ano yung...
Depende yung project, depende yung training. Yeah.
Ba't kaya yung hindi pare-pareho na naman?